where we are going is the 4th year, right? Yeah. And this 4th year is what, because they are talking about 3 years. We'll stop it here. We can't go to 4th. The 4th year one is the amount. Therefore, the amount, our amount is the one that we are getting it here, right? So it's going to be 3,472.88. Oh, good. This is our amount. The amount, the money you are going to pay, the whole money you pay, it is this one. Now, what is the interest? So interest is equal to amount minus principal. First what? First year. So this is the amount is what? 3,472.88 minus 3,000. So what will be the interest? 472.88. This is the compound what? Interest. Right? Let's check this compound interest and simple interest. Are they the same? No, they are not. Why are they different? Both are interest. Why is the simple interest this? Compound interest is this. What is making this difference? Because if you look at the difference now, the difference is 472.88 minus 45 what? 0. And subtract. What will be that? 2.88. That's the difference. Now the issue is, why difference? Why difference?
The principle is increasing as the days are increasing.
Because
the principle of the compound interest.
Yeah, the principle of the compound interest
is increasing.
Yeah, and is in other words, we are using each and every amount, the amount that we are getting, right? But this one we have just done it once. All right? But this one we are using each and every, and which one is used in banks? Which one, if you keep money in the banks, they use that one. Simple interest or compound interest? Compound interest, because they are saying it is compounded yearly. Compound interest is the one that you use in banks, my bank. But simple interest is the one that you use it when you are doing your caterpillar. Right? Because your caterpillar is something which is a short period of time, right? I can borrow caterpillar from you, you can calculate simple interest, and I'll give you the interest, right? But compound, it is for a long borrowing. That's what we have seen, right? Long borrowing. If you are borrowing it for 5 years, 10 years, 100 years, or 1 million years, you use compound what? Compound interest. All right. Huh? Can I finish off as you are signing? Let me finish with one example as we are signing. Let's finish one example. Huh? All right. I think sign for today and oh, this one. If your name is not there, you can. Can you revise these things when you are? Those are the simple things. If the simple things in your exam simple, like Johnny bought a car at this amount, he sold it this. What is the profit? Those are the questions. What is the loss? Calculate profit percent. Calculate loss percent. I can give you multiple choice. I will be giving you sometimes multiple choice. All right. So the multiple choice that I can give you, sometimes you should be able to work it out as multiple choice. So please, whenever look at that. What I will do next week. Today I wanted just to finish you off, so that next week when I come, I will just put you in groups, groups, and I will be asking you to discuss in groups. Those discussions will be very important. All right? Yeah, those are study areas. Oh, university, you know, right? You are very good children. Yeah? Okay, good. All right. Let me just finish off using what last example. Let me finish off one example. All right. Sometimes, you know, I'm finishing off. Take note of this one. Sometimes you can be given work out compound interest of 3,000 kwacha for 30 years at 5%. To use this method for 30 years, I think it's not a joke. Right? So the only thing is you use what is called formula. How do we calculate formula to calculate compound interest amount? So the formula is this one. The formula is this one. I am finishing, I'm winding off. I'm saying sometimes it is very difficult for you to calculate compound interest for very big years. 20 years, 30 years, to make this one is going to be long. So what you do is you use the formula. How do you use the formula? You say amount is equal to principal, open bracket, 1 plus I T. In other words, 1 plus, let's put R. Like it. All right? Where P is the principal, right? P is what? Principal. And the 1 is the ordinary one, you know, right? R is rate. Right? Rate, eh? And the T is what? Time. T is time to find amount. For example, work out compound interest on 3,000 kwacha for 30 years. Let's say 10 years. 10 years at 5% per what? Annum. So you say amount is equal to principal over 1 plus R to the power T, this one. So amount is equal to what is the principal? 3,000. 1 plus what is the rate?
5%.
5%, right?
Yes.
So this is 5 over what? 100, which is 0.05, right? 0.0 what? 5. And time?
10 years.
10 to the power 10. So you say amount. No, that amount is not interest, right? But here I was saying calculate compound interest. For you to find the amount, you take what you get the amount to get interest. You take the amount minus the principal first year, right? Okay. So amount here is 3,000. 1 plus this one gives you 1.05 to the power what? 10. Use your calculators.
U times U to the power.
Yeah, use your calculator. Not here times E. Use your calculator. Amount is equal to Mubange 300, open bracket 1.05 close. Then you do this. What? 3,000. 3,000. Yeah. 3,000. Open bracket 1.05. Close. Power is something which is like this. You people, will you be able to know the calculators? Are you done? Hautawi sasa. Hautawi sasa? Hata sababu 3,000. 3,000. Yeah. Open the bracket. 1.05. 1.05. Close bracket. Close. Power duty. Huh? Yeah, this one. Where is it from? Utaweza? What? 4,000, huh? 4,800. Oh. 4,000 what? 4,886. Point. 618. All right. Now, how do you get this interest? So interest is equal to amount minus principal first year, right? So interest is equal to what is amount? 4,886.68 minus 3,000. What is that? 1,886.68. All right. Yeah, we are waiting for. We are waiting for. Yeah. No, you see what? You can switch that one off now.